Amanda here again with Healthy Hydration. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to use the nose cannula here to infuse this medical gas that has now 3,000 studies behind it in 170 different disease models. And so when we breathe the gas, it gives us 1,000 times more potency for 20 minutes versus 1,000 glasses of hydrogen water. That's how potent it is when you do this. So if you're doing them both together with this technology, because we have the ability to do 4 different therapies, you can breathe it, you can put it in your eyes, you can put it in your ears, and we can put it in a wand, which then goes into any liquid that you want to put this hydrogen in. So in order to do this, the HH600 here from Healthy Hydration, you're just going to get the cannula out, which it comes with. Make sure you have distilled water in there, fill it up to the max line, and then you're going to apply the nose cannula here in your nose. And you won't notice a huge volume going in here. That's okay. You don't have to feel it per se. But if you're worried it's not working, you can always put this in a glass and you'll see all the bubbles. So you know it's definitely working. And then we're going to turn on.
Welcome to use hydrogen generator.
If it's your first time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If you want to do 30 minutes, great. You can't get too much. So if you're struggling with a serious health issue, maybe you want to use it every day or every other day. So here we go. We got 30 minutes. You can go up or down depending on if you want more or less. We're going to go ahead and turn the start button on and just focus, close your eyes because you want to release the stress. So when we're breathing the gas, think about good thoughts to create great feelings, because when you have a happy thought, it creates happy feelings. Dopamine, serotonin, wonderful chemicals you want to help your body heal your body. So while you're breathing that gas, think of wonderful things that you want. You can read a book, you can tune out, you can do whatever you want. But this therapy is fantastic. So let us know how you're feeling with this. Send us an email at support@healthyhydration if you got questions, or give us a call. We'll be happy to answer those for you. Enjoy your HH600 here from Healthy Hydration, that 4-in-1.